Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the cloud computing security and how to protect your data in the cloud. Introduction: Cloud computing is a popular way to store data and run applications, but comes with the security risks. In this video, we'll discuss the most common cloud computer security threats and how to mitigate them. Common cloud computer security threats. The most common cloud computer security threats include data breaches. Data breaches are one of the biggest security threats in cloud computing. Data breaches can occur when hackers unauthorized access to the cloud-based data. This can happen through a variety of ways, such as exploiting vulnerabilities in cloud storage, tracking employees into revealing their login credentials, insecure access. Insecure access is another big security threat in the computing. Insecure access can occur when cloud users do not use a strong password or when cloud providers do not have a strong security measure in place. This can make it easy for hackers to gain access to cloud accounts and data. Malicious insiders are employees who have authorized access to the cloud-based data and who use that access to steal and destroy data. Malicious insider can be motivated by a variety of factors such as revenge, financial gain, espionage. Denial of service attacks. Denial of service attacks are the attacks that attempt to overload cloud servers and make them unavailable to legitimate users. This can be done by flooding the cloud with traffic or by exploiting vulnerabilities in cloud software. Hijacking. Account hijacking is a hacker gain unauthorized access to cloud accounts. This can happen through a variety of ways such as phishing attacks or brute force attacks. How to mitigate cloud computer security threats? There are a number of things to mitigate the cloud computer security threats. Includes choose a reputable cloud provider. It is important to choose a provider that has a good reputation for security. You should carefully review the cloud provider's security policies and procedures before signing up for their services. Use a strong password and multi-factor authentication. All user of your cloud account should use a strong password and enable multi-factor authentication. This will help to protect your account from unauthorized access. Encrypt your data. You should encrypt your data before storing in the cloud. This will protect your data from unauthorized access even if the cloud provider is breached. Implement security controls. You should implement security controls such as firewalls and intrusion detection system to protect your cloud environment. These security controls can help to prevent unauthorized access to cloud resource and detect suspicious activity. Monitor cloud activity. You should monitor cloud activity for suspicious activity. This can be done by using cloud security monitoring tools by manually reviewing cloud logs. Additional tips for protecting your data in the cloud. Here are some additional tips for protecting your data in the cloud. Educate your employees about the cloud security. Make sure employees are aware of the security risks associated with cloud computing and how to protect your data. Keep your cloud software up to date. Make sure your cloud software is always up to date and have a plan in responding to security incident. In the event of security incident, you should have a plan in the place responding it to quickly and effectively. In conclusion, cloud computing is a powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes to succeed. However, it is important to be aware of the security risks associated with the cloud computing and take a step to protect data in the cloud. By following the tips above, you can help to protect your data from unauthorized access, disclosure, disruption, modification, or distractions. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.